Splicing neutral and hot wires using wire nut. Separate the wires to be spliced from the other ones. Fold and push the wires towards the back of the junction box. Hold them, grab them and cut them in front of your fist. To make a pigtail, take a piece of the wire of the same size and color corresponding the wires that will be spliced. Strip about 1/2 inch the insulation from the end of this wire, as well as from the ends of the wires to be spliced coming out of the junction box. Using pliers and a wire nut, splice the pigtail and other wires together. Neatly fold and insert the wire connection into the junction box, leaving the pigtail wire outside the junction box. One of the medium-sized universal wire nut that can be used for any connection for the number of wires specified in its specifications. The universal, standard wire nut allows the connection of the minimum and maximum number of wires and wire combinations specified in the manufacturer specifications. For 14-gauge copper solid wires, this is typically 2 to 6 wires. To splice the wires, strip approximately 1/2 inch of wire insulation from their ends. The cut wires for splicing must be at least 6 inches long from the point where they exit the cable sheath, and must also extend at least 3 inches beyond the junction box opening if the opening is 8 inches or less in any dimension, per Article 300.14/2023 NEC. The cable sheath must extend no less than 1/4 inch beyond the junction box entrance or its cable clamp according to Article 314.17(b) and Article 334.19 of the 2023 NEC. A better connection is achieved by twisting the ends of the wires with pliers and screwing a wire nut onto these twisted wires. Always twist the wires clockwise during splicing. The size of the pigtail wire must not be smaller than the size of the wires of the cables to be spliced. 3 to 5 twists of the wires when splicing are sufficient, as too many twists can damage the wire insulation. Never connect neutral wires of different circuits together unless they are from a multi-wire circuit sharing the same neutral wire. Neutral wires should only be connected together if they belong to the same circuit.